Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tarot Predictions. How are you all? Now continuing the chakra video, today I have brought some health issues which you can relate to the imbalances or blockage of the chakras. Now chakra, as you all know, its imbalance can trigger ailments and diseases in the physical body. Physical diseases, ailments, and associated pain in our lives are created due to negativity, physical, and mental trauma that has been held on for too long. These blockages manifest as illnesses. So, a few ailments and illnesses I'll be discussing in this video in a very simplified way. As you all know that there are 7 main chakras, so we'll be discussing one by one chakra as per the diseases. So first is the crown chakra, and the color that is related to this chakra is the violet color. So if it is blocked, then you will face the issues with sleep or wake cycle, feeling disconnected from your body or others. You will face difficulty meditating, spiritual discomfort. So, what are the solutions? The solutions are the fresh air, sunlight, and nature. As far as possible, try to go outside, go for walking, get some fresh air, sunlight, and spend as much as time possible in the nature. That will surely benefit you with all the imbalances. Now, coming to the second chakra, that is third eye chakra. It is the second chakra, and the color is indigo color. If it is blocked, then you will face depression, poor eyesight, hormonal imbalances, poor intuition. So, what is the solution? Try to have purple potatoes, blackberries, plums, purple grapes in your diet as much as possible. Or if the condition is really worse, then you can go in for the color therapy. For that, I would like to advise you can go in for tarot reading and get your chakras checked up. And if it is too much, if the severity is too much, then you need to take the crystal therapy. Throat chakra, the color is blue. Thyroid diseases, frequent sore throat, difficulty expressing feelings are the issues you will face. What is the solution? Blueberries, raspberries, and figs should be added in your diet as much as possible. Then is the heart chakra. The color governed by this chakra is the green color. Heart and lung diseases, asthma, allergies, fear of intimacy. What is the solution? Broccoli, all green leafy vegetables should be included in your diet. Then is the fifth chakra, that is solar plexus chakra. Color governed by this chakra is the yellow. Gas, bloating, liver issues, stomach ulcers, eating disorders, lack of confidence, procrastination. These are the issues you'll be facing if this chakra is blocked. Foods, yellow peppers, yellow lentils, yellow squash, oats should be included in your diet. Now coming to the sixth chakra, that is the sacral chakra. Color governed by this chakra is orange color. Infertility, hip pain, sexual dysfunction, impotence, emotional imbalances, creative blocks. So what is the solution? Foods such as seeds, nuts, oranges, carrots, pumpkins. Eat them as much as possible. Now the last chakra, the base chakra, that is the root chakra. The color governed by this chakra is the red color. Colon issues, lower back pain, varicose veins, emotional issues surrounding money and security are the issues which you will be facing if this chakra is blocked. What is the solution? Beetroots, apples, pomegranates, and protein as much as possible should be inculcated, should be included in your diet. So friends, this was the outline of the diseases associated with the blockage of the chakra, the 7 chakras. Now I would like to highlight some of the common ailments and illnesses which is associated with the chakra blockage. First one is the abdominal cramps. It is caused due to the base and sacral chakra underactiveness, poor grounding of base and sacral chakra. Now, some people face stomach problems very often. So, this is also caused due to base chakra and solar plexus chakra, either overactiveness or inactiveness. So, digestion and metabolism problems will be there because it is related to the fire element. Now comes the ulcers. It is also associated with the solar plexus chakra if it is overactive, excessive stomach heat or fire. Bowel issues. It is also caused due to base chakra, extremes of holding on and letting go. Food allergies, that is very common. It is also caused due to base chakra underactiveness, difficulty integrating physical world and mother energy. Then is the anxiety. It is also caused due to underactiveness of the base chakra, solar plexus chakra. If it is conflicted, fear of grounding, excessive ill-directed energy, high blood pressure. It is caused due to solar plexus chakra overactiveness, undirected energy. Bones problems. It is also caused due to base chakra underactiveness, difficulty with physical structure, lack of support, chronic fatigue, overactiveness or underactiveness of solar plexus chakra, excessive and persistent pushing resulting in exhaustion. That is due to this blockage of solar plexus chakra. Eczema, the skin disease. It is caused due to solar plexus chakra overactiveness. It causes irritation, excessive unutilized energy, headaches, very common. It is caused due to the third eye chakra overactiveness or crown chakra conflicted. So friends, this was a general video on all the health issues which we come across in our day-to-day life. So, but for better understanding, you can get your all the overall energy checked up through tarot reading, and you can do the needful. But of course, yes, those who don't intend to get their energy checked up through tarot reading, this video will be very helpful. These are the simple remedies that you can do at home. So stay tuned for my next video. I hope this video would have helped you in understanding the basics of the chakra and the blockages and which leads to health issues. So take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video. Do leave the comments in the comment section and let me know if anything else you would like to know. So I'll be highly grateful to help you out. So like and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.